Okay, hello everybody. This is a stay-at-home grandmom, and I've got two Ancord. This is green. They're both green actually. They're speakers. I got one for Christmas for my son-in-law, but then my granddaughter, which is her husband, said, "Well, I want one now," so I got one for her. This is what I got. This is speaker, and they work really, really good too. My cell phone's out because we're having a snowstorm, so I don't know what's wrong with it. I tried to call the company, but I got that one. That's the Accord, the Ancord, and I'll put all this in the description box. And then the other one. Hi, Ari. How are you? And then the other one was the Ancord, and it's speakers for the shower or outdoors, and it's wireless, waterproof, and deep bass speaker. And this is the other one. They don't want you. They want the Ancord. Move over. I mean, well, they do want you, but not for this. I gotta get this in. How's everybody doing, by the way? I'm doing fine. Snowed in, but fine. But this is the other one. They look like little army things, like army, what do you call it? Little army canteen. So those are cute. I'm loving these. And there's all the stuff in there. The instructions and the instructions and the headphones and the plugs and everything right in there. This compartment right there. So if you like this, like, share, and subscribe. Leave a comment in the comment section. I will put everything in the comment section needed to be. And I love you. Take care. God bless. Bye-bye.